Okay, so Salimah gave us this challenge to provide a testimony in 1 to 3 minutes. And let me tell you something. I've been in this program for a year and a half, and asking me to do that is, I don't know what the hell. So we're gonna just give it a shot, okay? I know I can't give y'all my whole life story, even though I want to. But what I want to say about my experience at KYTT is that it truly is transformational, and it truly has impacted me in ways that I did not expect. I came into the program expecting to do school. Like, I'm going to take these yoga classes, I'm going to get a good grade, if that even is a thing, and I'm going to move on and teach and do what I want to do so that I can have whatever financial freedom I came in looking for. And that is not what is, and that is not what I'm walking away with. I'm walking away with a sense of peace. I'm walking away with knowing what feeling grounded and centered actually is, and not just repeating these things because I hear it. I know what it is to know my truth and to be okay with my truth. I know what it is to truly have emotional resilience and emotional intelligence. And I'm much more lighter in my spirit. I can feel it. And I am more imaginative, and I desire things differently, and I'm ready to approach life and apply myself differently. And that is hats off to KYTT and to Salimah for offering the space for us, because I'm 100% certain I wouldn't have gotten here without this experience. So for anyone who's looking to sign up, I don't know if this video goes to people who aren't yet in the program, but if it does, my word of advice would be, 1, yes, do it, and 2, buckle up and get ready to get your hands dirty and to do some work, because it's going to try you, and you will make it out on the other side looking at yourself like, wow, look at me, because that's how I feel right now, like, look at me. So Sat Nam, everyone.
Sat Nam, my name is Tisha, and I'm finished the KYTT program. And if you really want to dive deep into yourself, I encourage you to do the same, to go through this year, because this whole year is a process from the beginning until the end. And you will know yourself better than before, and you can work better with you, can send empathy, can be more kind, more accept yourself, who you are. And it's a big process, big transformation, and enjoy yourself. Sat Nam.
Hola, my name is Doreen, and I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I'm a recent Kundalini Yoga teacher graduate with YogaVision. I am truly blessed and honored to be part of this community. Through this program, I have learned and understood what Kundalini Yoga is. Not only the historical aspects of it, but also the relevance of how spirituality and mental health and physical health all work hand in hand. Through our readings and our coursework and our homework, where we had to practice different forms and different kriyas and meditations, it opened up my eyes to the prospect of being a teacher of life. I love to share and impart knowledge that I've learned during this process in the program. I love being able to speak so passionately about something that has helped me through some really tough times in this journey. I'm not the same person that I was when I first started. I feel like I'm the new and improved me. And although we always change and shift as the years and the time passes, I feel that now I'm in a place that I can grow and be better every day. I find that I can also honor myself when I falter and be able to give myself the grace to understand that not everything has to be the way it needs to be. Sometimes change happens and it's okay. So thank you so much, Salimah, and my beautiful community of wonderful students. Thank you so much for supporting me through this process. Without you and without my family and friends to support me along the way, I would have never made it to this point. It was important to get everyone on board. And once I realized that I had that support in place, everything else just kind of fell in place. Satnam all, and thank you. Thank you, Salimah. Thank you, YogaVision.